In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix LG TV Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Wi-Fi dropouts on LG TVs are most commonly caused by a software conflict within the Quick Start feature or a hardware glitch involving the internal Wi-Fi ribbon cable. So what you want to do is press the settings or gear icon on your remote, go to all settings, then navigate to General, Devices, and then TV Management, and then toggle Quick Start Plus to off. Then restart your TV. This is going to force a fresh network handshake every time you turn the TV on. And sometimes the TV's regional software gets stuck in a loop, disrupting the Wi-Fi search. So go to Settings, All Settings, General, then Location, and select LG Service Country. Change it to a random country and let the TV restart. Repeat the process to change it back to your actual country, and this reset often clears deep-seated network cache errors. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.